welcome to Tango Basic and Beyond lesson. Here we explore advanced figures which we can build from basic figures. And today we will look at natural Fallaway and Chasse to Promenade position. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. So we start today with interesting figure which is built from natural Fallaway followed by Chasse to right, which is turned also to right and finished in Promenade position. So natural Fallaway, slow, quick, 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 quick. This is a basic version of natural Fallaway. We continue with Chasse to right, turn to right to Promenade position and step in Promenade. Now let's look at Romance and Violetta. And slow, quick, 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 quick. Let's look again. And slow, quick, 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 quick. And we finish with head weight in Promenade position. Let's look from opposite angle. And slow, quick, 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 quick. Very good. And now we will add Chasse to right, which is turned to right to Promenade position. So we start with natural Fallaway. Then we continue with Chasse to right, turn to right and step in Promenade position. Very good. Let's do it again. So we dance natural Fallaway, continue with Chasse to right and turn and step in Promenade position. Now with teaching count we have here some syncopations. So we dance slow, quick, quick and quick, quick and quick, quick. Let's look again. This time I will count with numbers. And 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. And now we will continue with point ball change and side cross. So we dance natural Fallaway, Chasse to right, step in Promenade, then point ball change and side cross. Very good. Let's look again, this time with teaching count. And slow, quick, quick and quick, quick and quick, 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 quick and quick, quick and. And now let's look at following figure, which is open reverse turn, very basic figure, but we continue with Chasse to left and then drag, close and tap to Promenade position. Very good. Let's look again. And quick, quick, slow, quick, quick and quick, 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 slow. Very good. And now let's put together today's routine or choreography. So we start with natural Fallaway, then with Chasse to right, and in Promenade we dance point ball change side cross, then open reverse turn with Chasse and drag close to Promenade ending. Very good. Let's look again, this time with teaching count. and slow, quick, quick and quick, quick and quick, 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 quick and quick, quick and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick and quick, 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 slow. And now to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and see you in the next dance videos.